name's Mychal Neumiller with Neumiller Harvesting out of Bowden, North Dakota.
First drew you to an Elmer's grain cart?
I would say the demo program, when they really first came out, they really hit the harvest trail a lot with the demo. Demoed some of them. We got one, and we ended up with another one and another one. We've got 4 of them now. I think we've had 3 to 4 of them now for roughly 5 years, I would say, 4 to 5 years. The price was a little cheaper at the time when they first came out, and they did us well to begin with, and if we like them, we stick with them. So we run all the walking tandems on ours. We really like that feature for loading on our grain cart trailers. It works good for us. In the fields, I do think the super singles is probably better for flotation, but if you're in a row crop, the walking tandems are really nice for that though too. We try to set them up all the same, I guess. All the grain carts, all the hydraulics are set the same up. It's nice for their nice low profile for dumping on the go around hilly fields, terrace fields. With the case combines, you got the tall, long auger. You never ever worry about hitting your spout on the grain cart or nothing anymore. Can't knock the Elmer service. They've always got someone on the road on the harvest run with us, helping us out anytime we need something, I guess. Yes, they break down just like anything else breaks down from time to time, but as long as there's someone on the road to help you out, it really means a lot. You don't see that from other brands, I guess, so that's always nice to have.